Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide apps from app library on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to hide any application from the app library, what you need to do is just come here to the app library, locate the application you want to hide. In this case, let's say I want to hide the Facebook application. Press and hold it. Then it should say this menu pops. On the menu, it's going to say require passcode or require Face ID and passcode. If your Face ID is working, it should say require Face ID and passcode. And if your Face ID stopped working, you only say require passcode. Go ahead and click on require passcode. Then select hide and require passcode or hide and require Face ID depending on the feature or functionality of your iPhone. Now go ahead and type in your passcode or confirm your Face ID. Click on hide app. And then you should see the application removed from the Hype library like that. Now, to access the application again, come back to the Hype library, scroll down, locate hidden, click on it once, confirm your Face ID and passcode. And then this is the application. Press and hold the application, and then select don't require passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode or confirm your Face ID. And then the application will be removed from hidden folder and be made available back on the Hype library. And then you should see that. You see that? So that's exactly how to hide apps from app library on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.